Hey folks, just wanted to do a quick video on one of my new favorite pieces of equipment for the storage and organization of magazines. I'm always looking for ways to transport and organize my pistol magazines because I have so many of them lying around. I found these on MidwayUSA. They're part of the MidwayUSA branded line of products, and I picked up a few of them. They've got a couple different colors that they make, and they're pretty straightforward in terms of their design and build quality. We got some MOLLE on the back. It's all double stitched very nicely. Velcro here. We've got a carrying strap as well. Throw it over your shoulder. I use them to hang them up actually in a closet. Velcro closure. Holds 6 magazines of various sizes. These are Glock 48 magazines in there right now, but they'll hold a double stack mag just fine. Actually, I think I have. Here's a 17 magazine. And here is a 19 magazine. And I also have a 26 magazine laying around as well. So all the standard magazine types, this will fit just fine. And it's just an affordable way to store and transport magazines, so I thought I'd let you know about it. It works for me, just spreading the love, spreading the knowledge. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll talk to you soon.